We have a fresh new update about Tesla Giga Berlin, which is going to delay the approval until at least November 22, friends. The repeat online discussion on Tesla Giga Berlin starts today. Welcome back, friends. This is Armen Harayan from TorqueNews.com. The repetition of the online discussion for the construction of Tesla's Giga Berlin factory in Grünheide near Berlin starts today, this Tuesday, and it should last until November 22nd. That means don't think Tesla will be approved until November 22nd. And I don't think it will be approved immediately after 22nd. It will take at least another 5 to 10 days, if not a whole month. So if we get a Tesla Giga Berlin approval by the end of December, it will be good news. So a first online construction ended on October 14. After discussing over 800 objections, environmental groups had accused the country of having been announced too late. The State Environment Agency then decided to repeat the procedure for safety reasons. However, the Ministry of Environment spoke of a legal conception that deviated from the previous interpretation. The information received from objectors so far in the first consultation will be examined, it said. As a result, the schedule for the start of production at the Giga Berlin plant has become more uncertain, as I just said. Tesla boss Elon Musk is aiming for the first vehicles to roll off the assembly line in Grünheide at Giga Berlin by December at the latest. The final approval of the state is still pending. The new online discussion must first be evaluated. However, the automaker is sticking to its schedule. Now, if the automaker, as RBB24, Brandenburg's public radio, says is sticking to its schedule, how can they produce cars at a production level without the final approval? The environmental associations had rated the repetition as a positive but a sign, but were dissatisfied, among other things, because no new public interpretation of Tesla's applications was planned for the factory. So, friends, what do you think? When do you think Tesla Giga Berlin will finally be approved? If the repeat discussion is going to be lasting until November 22nd, how many days do you think the government will need to give the final approvals? Or I'm also thinking in a best scenario, or good scenario possibly, that the government may be simultaneously drafting the text of the final approval, and once the discussions finish without any major change, maybe they can go ahead and give the final permit and Tesla will start production by December. So let me know your thoughts, friends. I don't know how to describe all this, but this is Armen Harayan from TorqueNews.com. Please subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla news. Give us thumbs up. We would greatly appreciate it. Share in social media, and have a great day. God bless you. Peace be with all of you, and we'll see you in our next report. Let's move on to the next report and next coverage, friends. Tesla has not yet signed a contract with Hertz, Elon Musk said. We have breaking news, friends. This morning, last night, Tesla CEO Elon Musk said on Monday night that his electric vehicle company has yet to sign a contract with rental cars company Hertz. This kind of contradicted the news that we reported last week, and it was all kind of a go deal, and it is still, but the contract has not yet signed. Tesla hit a 1 trillion market cap for the first time a week ago after Hertz announced it would grow its fleet of battery electric vehicles with an initial order of 100,000 Teslas by the end of 2022. In this report, I'm going to tell you what this means. Tesla is basically telling that Hertz is going to get a regular treatment just like any customer. Welcome back, friends. This is Armen Harayan from TorqueNews.com. Laura Kolodny from CNBC has more details, quoting Elon Musk. So here's what happened. Tesla CEO Elon Musk said on Monday night that his electric vehicle company has yet to sign a contract with rental company Hertz. So there is no contract yet. The tweet from Elon Musk seemingly contradicted a prior announcement and advertisement released by Hertz on October 25, right? Here's what happened. Our friends at Tesla Silicon Valley Club had a tweet sharing that Tesla stock share has gone up to 8.5% yesterday and 0.34% after hours. Tesla reaching $1,213.02. And to this, Elon Musk responded saying, "You are welcome," and added this quote from Elon Musk: "If any of this is based on Hertz, I'd like to emphasize that no contract has been signed yet. Tesla has far more demand than production. Therefore, we will only sell cars to Hertz for the same margin as to consumers. Hertz deal has zero effect on our economics." Here's what Elon Musk means by this. He's saying that the price of Tesla stock shouldn't be based on Hertz because there is no contract yet, and also Hertz is not affecting Tesla's bottom line. It's just a news, and that Tesla has production problem, not demand problem, and that they will sell cars to Hertz only for the same margins as to consumer, and that Hertz deal, although there is a deal but contract is not signed, probably they're still working on the pricing, that Hertz deal has zero effect on Tesla's economics. So famously, Tesla hit a $1 trillion market cap for the first time a week ago after Hertz announced it would grow its fleet of battery electric vehicles with an initial order of 100,000 Teslas by the end of 2022. I reported it at Torque News YouTube channel. A commercial featuring 7-time Super Bowl champion Tom Brady alongside parked Tesla Model 3 electric sedan in a Hertz garage accompanied the announcement. Hertz actually had 3 advertising on Tesla. CNBC reached out to Hertz and Tesla to ask for further information Monday night. Neither company replied before publication of CNBC's story. I will have the link of Elon Musk's tweet and link of CNBC's coverage in the description of this video, friends. Interim CEO of Hertz, Mark Fields, last week said the rental car company started talking with Tesla many months ago about the purchase of the vehicles. He described it as a great relationship, and part of Hertz's move to lead rental companies is managing large fleets of electric vehicles. This is about relationships. From the standpoint, the Tesla relationship is very important to us, but we also have relationships with all of the automakers, and we want to help them as they introduce their electrified vehicles, Fields said during an interview on CNBC's Squawk Box. Fields, formerly CEO of Ford, described the move as a strategic discussion to help automakers that started with Tesla and will continue with other companies. "We have done that with Tesla, and our intent is to do with all of the automakers," he said, probably referring to electric vehicle adoption of their fleet. Investors have traditionally frowned upon automakers when they sell large amounts of vehicles to daily rental fleets. That's because cars and trucks sold to rental companies are usually sold at a discount, with such deals used to reduce bloating inventories and increase their total vehicle deliveries. But obviously this is not the case with Tesla. Shareholders and analysts responded favorably to the idea of Tesla selling 100,000 fully electric vehicles to Hertz. The move was seen as a sign that battery electric cars were going more mainstream. Elon Musk tweeted saying, "It's strange that moved valuation, as Tesla is very much a production ramp problem, not a demand problem." This is what he basically said last night, and he said, "To be clear, cars sold to Hertz have no discount, same price as to customers." So Elon Musk is tweeting and emphasizing the same thing, that Hertz is not getting the deal, is not getting a discount, and he basically said that last night, that cars to Hertz will be sold to the same margin. But for example, Wedbush Securities Don Eves wrote on bullish notes about Tesla on October 22nd. He wrote, "The Hertz deal, we believe, will be viewed as a tipping point for the electric vehicle industry. At this 100,000 Model 3s at $4 billion plus deal for Tesla speaks to more mainstream adoption of electric vehicles, as today only 2% of autos in the US are EV driven compared to 10% plus in China, with rapid growth on the horizon. We believe this is the biggest transformation to the auto industry since the 1950s, with with more consumers heading down to electric vehicle path over the coming years. Since Tesla's October 22nd close prior to the announcement, the stock has surged around 33%. Last week, Elon Musk said it was strange the news moved the company's valuation by so much. Musk, who owns around 20% of Tesla, has seen his net worth rise with the electric vehicle maker's share price. He is now the world's wealthiest person. Other shareholders within and outside the company have benefited too, including longtime bulls like Ron Barron, Tesla employees who have earned and vested options over time, and Musk's fellow board members, of course. But I just want to remind that great wealth comes with great responsibility, friends. 2 days after announcing the initial order of 100,000 Teslas, Hertz said it would make up to half of the cars available to Uber drivers to rent by 2023. The company said if successful, the program could expand to 150,000 vehicles over the next 3 years. Hertz pointed out that these ambitions could be affected by factors outside of its controls, such as semiconductor chip shortage or other constraints. During the burgeoning this virus situation, Hertz filed for bankruptcy. If you remember, that was a couple of months ago, I think in June or July, bankruptcy protection. But as travel rebounded somewhat and demand for rental vehicles picked up, investors from Grünheide Capital Management and Certares Management said they would take over the company, and so Hertz is rebounding with especially this Tesla deal, about which Elon Musk says Tesla has not signed contract with Hertz yet. Well, what should we make of this, friends? Let me know your thoughts. This is Armen Harayan from TalkNews.com. Please subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla news. Ring the bell so you don't miss our coverage. Give us thumbs up, please. We would greatly appreciate it. And God bless you. Peace be with all of you. Have a great day. And let's move on to the next Tesla story.